So one thing I like to do when I'm cooking is to clean as I go. So earlier when I was cracking my eggs, I spilled it on the counter and I used my apron. This is Julian, by the way. Julian, you want to tell him hey?
Hey.
Hey. I use my apron just to wipe it up, and then whenever I'm finished with everything, I come back with the Clorox cleanup wipe and I wipe my whole counter down. And I just wanted to show you how I'm making for the holidays. I make ahead of time and then I freeze it. So that way when it gets a little bit closer, I'm not stressing out because I have to make 15 different desserts. That's my thing for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at guaranteemaidservices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.